Welcome to HardReset.Info. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change vibration settings on your Redmi 13. To change vibration settings, you want to go into Settings. Here, scroll down to Sound and Vibration. And in here, you can, for example, see in the vibration settings, you can turn on Vibrate for calls, vibrate in silent mode, vibrate on tap, change the strength of it, which should work for the vibrations with your keyboard. As you can see, you might hear it or feel it when you do it. You can change the strength. You might not notice it on this video, but yeah, you can feel it mostly, or hear it even. It also vibrates when you tap on these icons. You can of course turn it off if you don't like it. Turning it off also saves a bit on battery. And outside of that, you could also try looking into additional settings, but there might not really be anything about vibrations here. Yeah, there isn't. And that's it. If you like this video, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.